the IXL.com, the sign-in page. And so what you would do here is put in your username, which is the no caps before the no caps before the I forward for the @ sign on your I forward username. And then the password would be your I forward one and sign in. Okay, and so now this is what it's going to look like. Your name will be up here, and you have these 3 tabs: learning, diagnostics, and analytic, and you'll see this little arrow. It moves for when you click on something else, and analytics. We'll be using all 3. Analytics is kind of to show how many minutes you have in here, but now that we are using the Buzz platform more, we would be actually um, not really concerned about minutes. You will be having to fill out the sheets and the quizzes that are in Buzz after you do your practice work. So not so much as this, but the diagnostics is where we'll start. When we go under diagnostics, and then you'll step into the arena, and there's quite a few. I'd say it takes a good 3 hours to do this diagnostics. So we'll break it up in chunks when we're learning at the beginning here, and then learning is where we're going to be. You have to make sure that you have so the little arrows pointing up at learning on the green strip. Math is highlighted because that's what we're working on. And we're going to be not working in the levels as much as we're working in the topics. So I'm not going to say levels until we get to topics. So that's kind of confusing because of the fact that I'm going to be saying topics. And then when we go into the topics, you'll see that they're alphabetically down the page here. And so you pick the topic that we're working under. So say we're working under decimals. Actually, we'll probably be starting working under place value right here. And then when you click over here, then it goes into the levels, but under this topic. So then what you'll be doing is I will be telling you what level and then what skill here. See how it's G's and A's, and I'll be telling you. And then when they're completed, you will see a pineapple. Let me see if I have some completed in here. It doesn't look like I do, but when they're completed, you'll see a pineapple. I thought I had some completed in here, okay? I guess I don't. Anyway, you'll see a little pineapple, meaning that you had completed. So let's look at it. So I'm going to pick an easy one here. So when you open it up, it's going to look like this. And then there's on the first problem of IXL, if you don't know how to do, you can click on this down arrow and it goes through to explain what it is, and then click it back up. And then which coin is this? This is a nickel, and submit. You're looking at your score over here. As you're getting them correct, it's going up. If you start getting them wrong, it'll go back down. Okay, so see here a nickel. And then if I do get it wrong, it gives me an explanation of what it is, and it shows this. Okay, then you hit got it, and then see my score went down. And so this is a penny, and it will go up. And as you submit, it's going to keep going up this computer score until you have 100%. Okay. So let's show you on this one what I'm doing. I'm just going and clicking. So now I'm getting closer. And if I get something wrong, it's going to go back down. Okay. So submit. And that's it for now. Okay.